Shape, line, and pattern owls. Make sure you have a pencil and a piece of paper. Step 1 is to write your name and class code on the back of your paper. Step 2 is to draw a big U for the owl's body. Make sure it takes up most of the paper so you have plenty of room to draw the owl's details. Step 3 is to draw a smile line at the top, connecting the top of the U to turn the U into a shape. Step 4 is to draw 2 big circles for the eyes. You can draw them open or closed. Here I'm drawing them open. They can be touching each other. You can add details inside the eyes. To draw them closed, you can draw a smile line like that. You can also add details like eyelashes and make the pupils, the inside, bigger if you want. Step 5 is to draw a letter V or a triangle for the beak. Step 6 is to draw a smile line under the beak to make the owl's body. Step 7 is to add feet. You can draw the letter M and draw straight lines to connect it to the owl's body like I'm doing here, or you can draw them your own way. Step 8 is to add a pattern to your owl's body. You could do many different patterns like polka dots, you could do stripes, you could do zigzag lines, you could do wavy lines, which is what I decided to do, or any other patterns you can think of. Remember, a pattern is just any design that repeats over and over. Step 9 is to add details. You could draw a branch for your owl to sit on like I am here. You could add leaves to the branch. You could think about if it's day or nighttime. So I'm adding a moon and some clouds and some stars to make a nighttime background for my owl. And you can keep adding details. When you are done, find a black crayon or permanent marker and trace your pencil lines. So here I've started tracing my pencil lines with a black crayon. Make sure to go through and trace all of your pencil lines. This is especially important if you are going to use watercolor paint later. If not, it won't matter quite as much, but it makes your owl stand out a lot more. When you're finished using the black crayon to trace all of your pencil lines, you can color in some small details if you are using watercolor paint. You could add texture, like this branch in water, by not coloring the whole area. You can add detail to your owl's pattern by coloring it in. And if you have watercolor, you can paint it in for the last step. If not, you can keep coloring the whole picture in. Fill your page with color and have fun.